Magandang oras mga ka-good news. Nako, napaka-grabe ang trahedyang nangyari sa Myanmar kahapon lamang. At sa ngayon daw ay mayroon ng 1,000 na estimated na naging biktima ng lindol na ito na hindi lang yumanig kundi nagpaguho ng napakaraming gusali sa Myanmar. At hanggang ngayon ay nasa recovery state pang mga natabunan ng paguho na ito. At ayon sa balita, Donald Trump kaagad, ang USA ay nagpadala na ng ayuda para sa mga nabiktima sa lindol na ito sa Myanmar. Narito ang ulat atin panoorin courtesy ng ABC News at ng isa pang channel na ating ka-vlogger.
More than 100 people are dead after a powerful earthquake rocked Myanmar on Friday, according to authorities who say that number is likely to rise. Much of the devastation from the 7.7 magnitude quake occurred in Mandalay, Myanmar's second largest city. The deadly quake was followed by a powerful aftershock and several more moderate ones. The tremor shook neighboring Thailand, tearing down a skyscraper under construction.
Nako, grabe, pati sa Thailand, umabot pala sa Thailand eh. At ayon sa isang balita, nasa Bangkok, umabot din sa Bangkok ang lindol. Ito, tingnan natin tong stupa. Ito'y Buddhist stupa temple. Oh,
And several more moderate ones.
naputol yung dulo, grabe. 1,000 taon na yata yan na templo, pero ngayon lang naputol dahil sa napakalakas na lindol. Grabe ang lindol na ito. Oh. Ito yung hindi pa natapos na gusali, gumuho. Grabe yun, naging pile na lamang siya of concrete, rubbles. Patuloy tayo sa video, nakakagulat, nakakagimbal, nakakalungkot na mga balita. Ang ganito, sign of, end of days, na mga signs tong mga paglindol ng malalakas.
Construction in the capital, Bangkok. Witnesses say people ran to the streets in panic.
Wait!
Yan sa Bangkok oh.
The whole building collapsed.
Thai Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra sought to reassure residents that Bangkok's high-rise buildings are built to withstand quakes.
Buildings in Bangkok are constructed beyond the standard. Even if the earthquake had been stronger, they would still be able to withstand it. Right now, inspections show that all buildings are safe to return to. The only affected structures are those under construction, which have issues with stability and walls.
A U.S. government analysis based on the strength and depth of the quake estimated there could be thousands of deaths and severe economic loss.
And we send our condolences.
United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres said Myanmar has asked for international support.
Okay, at sa pagkakataon na ito, sa oras na ito ay kahapon pa lang yata, nagpadala na ng emergency na tulong sa mga nabiktima nitong paglindol doon sa Myanmar, ang Amerika. Aksyon kaagad ni Donald Trump at ang China, nako, walang kaano-anong reaksyon ang China sa lindol na ito. Natakot yata magpadala ng pera kasi kuripot, ganyan naman ang mga inchik, di ba? Napakakuripot. Yang Amerika, ang dami-daming ginastusan, tapos magpapadala pa dito ng napakalaking tulong. Ang China, wala talaga yan. Hindi talaga tumutulong yung China na yan. Grabe kuripot. Pero kung sila yung magbenta ng kanilang mga produkto ay binibili natin Dapat boycott na yan. Okay, so ito, isang news galing sa ABS News, atin panoorin to. Ibang video clip ito.
This morning, a massive earthquake causing chaos across Southeast Asia, measuring a powerful 7.7 and a 6.4 aftershock, striking Myanmar and triggering a state of emergency. Its impact felt in cities across the region as far away as Bangkok, Thailand. The city, declared a disaster zone by Thai officials, is home to 17 million people, many living in high-rise apartment buildings. This skyscraper shook, buckled, and was reduced to a pile of rubble as people looked on in disbelief.
Grabe, para siyang parang yung sa Twin Towers sa New York noon na binumba. Grabe, bagsak talaga
This skyscraper shook, buckled, and was reduced to a pile of rubble as people looked on in disbelief. The
Grabe.
quake forceful enough to turn this rooftop swimming pool into a waterfall. Frightened office workers captured on camera were scrambling from their desks as the tremor caused buildings to sway.
I was in my lazy boy and all of a sudden it moved back and forth and then it toppled over and I hit my head on the table, but it didn't leave a mark and I didn't break the glass table either.
Ito dapat sa panahon ngayon ha, mga kababayan. Dapat ang grupo ng mga arkitekto at mga engineer, ang asosasyon nito sa Pilipinas o sa buong mundo man ay limitahan na ang haba o taas ng mga buildings, 'di ba? Kasi uso na ngayon ang lindol eh. Nakikita naman natin yung skyscraper ay kapag nilindol talaga ng malakas, guguho talaga siya dahil mabigat, sobrang bigat. At pwede ring dagdagan ang strength of materials, 'di ba? Dagdagan ang kabilyada, dagdagan din ang mix ng semento, 'di ba? Para lalong titibay na kahit lindulin ay hindi ito magguguho. Grabe. Parang yung sa senaryo ng Twin Tower sa New York no na binumba. Parang ganun eh. Parang binumba yung mga building. Grabe. Bagsak, durog. Naging abo, nagiging graba. Okay, balik tayo sa video courtesy ng ABS News.
Alarms going off as the quake hit around midday in Bangkok. Crowds were waiting at rail stations to evacuate from more densely populated areas. Reports from inside Myanmar have been slower to come, but videos on social media showed debris in the streets and broken roads and a major bridge near Mandalay that fell to pieces into the river.
So ito ang napakalungkot na balita. Kahapon pala ito nangyari sa Myanmar. March 28, 2025, magnitude 7.7, halos 8 magnitude. So ito, powerful quake rocks Myanmar. More than 150 people are dead and hundreds and more are injured. 7.7 magnitude. Quake struck near the city of Mandalay. According to Myanmar's military government, the U.S. Geological Survey estimated the death toll could surpass 10,000. Oh, grabe. Talagang disaster talaga. Ito, merong mga building na nag-collapse, merong ang skyscraper na hindi pa natapos, nag-collapse din. Meron ding mga itong religious temples ng mga Buddhist na kitang-kita sa video kanina na bumagsak. Ito, grabe. Si Donald Trump ng Amerika ay nag-pledge na ng kanyang tulong sa Myanmar. Atin na lang to ipagdasal na sana ay hindi na mangyari o hindi babalik ang lindol at wala nang madisgrasya pa diyan sa Myanmar. Ako'y magpaalam na, mga ka-good news, at huwag kalimutan paki-subscribe sa ating channel. Hanggang sa muli, paalam at ingat ang lahat.